Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Speaking English can help you get a better job. Many companies want people who can speak English well. If you speak English, you can work in big companies, talk to customers, and grow in your career. English can open the door to a better future. Learning to speak English is not hard if you practice every day. You can start with small words and easy sentences. Slowly, your speaking will get better. Watching videos, reading books, and talking to others in English can help you learn faster. Never stop learning. Speaking English gives you confidence. When you speak well, you feel proud and strong. People listen to you and respect your words. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Keep speaking. Practice makes you perfect. Confidence comes with practice. English speaking is like having a superpower. It helps you learn, grow, and travel. You can understand songs, movies, books, and more. It makes life exciting and full of new chances. So, speak English every day. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.